I'm my lad, and welcome back to Danmakufu Delirium. More range 18 today. Next entry is Meowstic's Youkai wrote a Mamizo script. I'd like to add something to last video. I found the cause of the absurd speed. In the original speed of the player was unfocused 6.5 and focused 4.2, where 4.2 might as well be the unfocused speed of any other player. And what Vigor did, I presume, is that he tried to reduce the speed, multiplying 6.5 by 0.8 and 4.2 by 0.4. But he only did it in the initialize routine of the player, at least of type B. I didn't check type A. And the problem was that after the spell changed the player's speed, and afterwards the speed was set to what it originally was. But he didn't change that, so it reset. So when you use the spell, you'd slow down, and then when the spell ended, you'd go back to 6.5, 4.2, and that is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, Vigor tried changing something, but it was only a half-assed change, because it didn't go through every instance of set player speed, and well, blah. Anyway, enough of that garbage. Talked enough about that script and how horribly it handled with that player. Youkai Road. And something else, of course, blip. Difficulty 1. Ooh. What do we want? Do we want Rainbow? Do we want... No, these are Lefkada's players. Am I the only one who doesn't like Lefkada's players? They're kinda... I don't know. Let's go with Sanai. Because Sanai is a good girl. Give me some lives. Ooh, it's got a stable position. Although its enemies explode violently. More lives just to be on the safe side. Wow. Sanae kills nothing. Were those fairies moving backwards after looping around? Oh, Hainue with a tail. Unknown objects of unknown state. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, bullets from the bottom of the screen are not nice. Let's bomb everything away with our firecrackers, or miracle firecrackers. Oh. Disco Gaza. Umbrella Sign Midsummer Sprinkle. Ooh, this is nice and deadly. Please don't kill me. Gaza, I love you, don't kill me. Thank you. Ooh. Hello, Mamizo! I really like Mamizo's non-spells. And her theme as well, it's kind of funky. It's like the present world overhaul of Touhou. Sounds very upbeat for an extra boss theme. Present world overall from Sado. Someone do it. New dual extraterrestrial Danmaku transformation. Ooh, a UFO. Ooh, I died. It's like Space Invaders, but worse. Please stop invading my personal space. Oh, she's teleporting now. Give me a break, Mommy. Mima. Who cares about Mima? I don't. Teleporting is nice. I like the cloud effects that he stole from Hopeless Masquerade. Wow. I'm being silly. Yodel, Feline Danmakufu transformation. Catos. We have catos. It's raining cats, hallelujah, or something. This is interesting. Ouch. Please leave me alone. Oh, this is nice. Hard, but nice. Oh, this is really hard. Not just me being stupid. La la la, transformation, Hutatsui wa clan of 9 Mamizos. Really? Are you fucking serious about this? This looks so stupid. Now next we're going to have the night parade of 100 Mamizos. Come on, die! Thank you. Wow, I captured something for once. Oh, it's Sanae. Ooh. Ooh! Shit my pants. That's neat. I wish Mamizo did this in 10 Desires as well, where she would transform into the character you're playing as instead of always transforming into RaNGE. That would have been nice. Trickery, wind good girl. Are you fucking serious? Wind good girl. Good girl. Bad girl. Good girl. Oh my god. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Yay! I am a good girl. Very good girl. Yes. Yes, I'm a very good girl. Bad girl. Very good. Very bad girl. Animals running wild. Oh no, it's the night parade of 100 Mamizos. What? Quite a bad idea to have the Mamizos at the bottom run around first, not the one at the top, because you're more likely to be at the bottom and you will be taken by surprise and die. Oh my god, this is hard. This isn't even warm anymore, this is hot. Whoa. Now we're getting the frogs. Oh my lad! These humans have such weird hitboxes. This is why I hate pedestrian zones. The humans all have such weird hitboxes and it's really hard to go anywhere because the humans keep running into you and killing you. And then Mamizo comes back and just dies. Mamizo comes back and straight up dies. Stage clear, thank you. Quick game. I want to see the other spells, but that will mean I'd have to go through this 2 times again. Unless I can just which spell was that? Spell 4, I think. Ooh. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's see the something else. Because the something else is always really good.
Are you a real villain?
Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real superhero?
Nah.
Look, have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right.
Oh my god.
That I will have to teach you how to be villains.
I can't believe you did that. Wait, let's restart because stuff went out.
Are you a real villain?
Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real superhero?
Nah.
Have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right. I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains.
I can't believe you did that. Wow. I can't believe this.
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. No, don't touch that. Now look at this net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it on him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide on this banana peel. What are you doing?
Reacted slowly. Meowstic, I can't believe you did this. You should have used the Japanese version. There's a fan-made Japanese version of We Are #1 and it's gorgeous. Oh dear. So that was Youkai Road and something else. Noise. Like I said, in the survival, it's pretty. It really took me by surprise that the Mamisos at the bottom moved first, because it would have been better if the ones at the top moved first, because the player is less likely to be at the top, and then they know what's coming for them. And they know that there's 2 Mamisos in the bottom, and there's a chance that they might move as well, so they move out of the way. But anyway, really nice script. We are #1, and I'm not sure what else to say. So I'll end it here. Woo! Meowstic's entry, Youkai Road. I'll see you all next.